Is there any advice you'd pass on to others that are like looking to get into real estate?
Yes, study and learn what you can. Just don't rush it. When I was in school, I just kept trying to get to the end, and that's not how you learn. You need to take each day, literally day by day, second by second, and really just enjoy the time, because you don't get that back when you're finished. Um, as soon as you get out of real estate school, you're going to be like, what did I just learn? Because you don't remember any of that stuff. It really takes being in the field to understand it, but you really want to just take your time when you're in school and understand what you're learning.